Welcome to the Golden Valley Light Railway video platform. This is a repair and restoration series video. Darcy's tatty seat. I don't know if you have watched the GVLR YouTube Stockbook series video about Bagley Drury 3753, Darcy. Just in case you have not, I have put a link to it in the description. In that video, when I am struggling to climb into the cab, you can see directly in front of me, the second seat, covered by a dirty towel that is used to wipe the windows. As you can see in this photo, with the towel removed, its covering is very degraded and split open. In the past, a repair has been attempted with duct tape, but that has now lost its stick and is unraveling and hanging off. When I was putting that video together, I had remembered that I had some material that would be suitable to make a new cover for the second seat base. I had used it to make some gear shift gaiters. I had plenty left over to cover Darcy's second seat base. Upon my next visit to the GVLR, I took a look at how the second seat base was attached. It was just bolted to the cab side with bolts through the pivot brackets. It was simply removed with a couple of spanners that same day. You can see just how bad it is, with it now on the bench in my workshop. Having turned it over, you can see that the cover is wrapped around and tacked into place with carpet tacks. I don't think this is the original cover. The support brackets are held in place over the cover with slot head screws. They all may be difficult to get out. No. I stand corrected, this one is loose. This one is not too tight either. This is going to be easy. And the last one for this side is coming straight out too. That was not too bad. This one is solid. I will skip it for now. This next one is tight, but it is coming out. Let's try a different angle. No, I am going to strip the screw. I will just move on and come back to it. That one's out. The bracket is loose. The screw is not. Let's clean the slot and try again. It is not moving. I know what to try. I am going to use my impact driver. This should do it. You hit it with a hammer, and the screw bit rotates. It moved a little, but it's mighty tight. I will hit it some more. It is going. Okay, let's try it with the normal screwdriver now. It is still solid. I will have to hit it more. I will try again. No, it is not going. Let's try a different screwdriver. Will this one work? Yes, I have got it. At last it is going. That has done it, at last. If you look closely, it is just a tiny bit rusty, yet caused all that trouble. Now for the cover. With a little prizing and leverage, the tacks come straight out. And here you are, they are only tiny short tacks. I wish that I could work this fast for real. In reality, can you tell it's a different day? What is new in my workshop? Comment below if you have noticed it. Can you see the green marking I have put on the base, so I can tell where the screw holes will be when I have put a new cover on? Again, I am in turbo mode. I wish I really was this fast, but it is, alas, just an editing trick to make a long job quicker for you to view. That is the last tack. And it's off. Hurrah! I then measure the cover. We have jumped ahead, it is a different day again. The covering has been cut and I have stretched it over the base, front to back, and fastened it at its center with staples from my hand staple gun. I am then doing the same across the seat base, from side to side. I then finish fastening the edges into the corners. All that overlapping fabric in the corners is then trimmed away. Leaving just enough to make the corner folds. That'll do. Now for the back corners. As they are sharp, not curved like the front, they have a little tuck and fold, like a dining chair would have. Oh, I am out of staples. Let's put some more in. Just a few bits to tidy up now. And then, we are done. Whilst the top looks great, if we turn it over, there are a lot of staples, and it looks a bit of a mess, especially around the corners. I am going to cover it up with some black Hessian, I think. I ordered some black Hessian, well that's what it said it was, but it is actually some cheap synthetic stuff. It will do. I mark out enough for a folded hem, then the shape of the seat, and cut it out. Next I get into a spot of bother. I tried to iron in the hems and to get rid of all the creases, but it just melted to the iron. What a mess. I then just cut a new piece, turned the iron down, and pressed in the seams, fixing them folded with some spray glue. This gives a nice edge. I then fasten the front corners with some impact adhesive. After I have cleaned the iron, I then take the finished seat back out to the workshop to put the folding seat brackets back on. I have loosely positioned all the screws and am now tightening them up. It does not take long when I have entered turbo mode again. Brilliant, it is all finished. No more tatty seat. And here are the final pictures of it reinstalled. That concludes our video about the second seat from Darcy. Thanks for watching this repair and restoration series video from the Golden Valley Light Railway. If you enjoyed it, please acknowledge this by clicking on the thumbs up button under the video player. It will help our channel grow. Please leave us a comment or ask a question. What else would you like to see a video on?